Heator review, legit space heater or overhyped? Honest 2025 test. Most people get this wrong by assuming every compact space heater delivers strong warmth quickly. The surprising truth is that Heatoor is legitimate for small rooms, but it has limitations in larger spaces. The Heatoor features ceramic elements, adjustable temperature and safety shoot-off. You won't believe how quiet it operates compared to older models. Many users report that it warms up a 150-200 square foot room efficiently within minutes. It's lightweight, portable, and energy efficient for short-term use. However, in open areas or large rooms, the warmth is less noticeable. The surprising truth is that claims of heating entire floors are exaggerated. Proper placement near your seating area or workspace is key for optimal performance. Safety features like tip-over shoot-off and overheat protection add peace of mind. In conclusion, Heatoor is a legitimate, practical option for small room heating. It's not overpowered, but it performs well for its intended purpose. Focus on room size, placement, and safety precautions to maximize comfort.